Hello everyone, my name is Ramon Sanchez and the topic for my presentation is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, other known as AI, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of tech industry. This intelligence is built complex algorithm and mathematical functions. The goal of AI. AI is a broad branch of computer science. The goal of AI is to create systems that can function intelligently and independently. The two types of AIs are weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI focuses only on one task, a type of artificial intelligence that is limited to a specific or narrow area. Weak AI simulates human cognition. It has the potential to benefit society by automating time-consuming tasks and by analyzing data in ways that humans sometimes can't. Besides its limited capabilities, some of the problems with weak AI include the possibility to cause human if the system fails. For example, let's consider a driverless car that miscalculates the location of an oncoming vehicle and causes a deadly collision. Strong AI. Strong artificial intelligence, also known as artificial general intelligence or generalized, is a theoretical form of AI used to describe a certain mindset of development. It aims to create intelligent machines that are indistinguishable from the human mind, but just like a child, the AI machine would have to learn through input and experiences, constantly progressing and advancing its abilities over time. Some strong AI terms are machine learning and deep learning. Some of the products that use AI are smartphones, cars, social media, video games, banks, and security cameras. Now let's talk about what makes something artificial intelligent. Let's take, for example, we build a robot in our lab. We now drop it in a field. In spite of a variation in the dimensions, lighting, and landscape, the AI robot must perform as expected. This ability to react appropriately is called generalized learning. Now let's take, for example, a robot overcomes an obstacle. The robot must determine which decision to make based on the circumstances. This is called reasoning. After a stroll, the robot now encounters no ground to continue walking. Using the stairs as input, the robot uses the given input and finds a solution to the problem, which is called problem solving. Now, some pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Pros: doesn't get tired easily and doesn't wear out easily. Rational decision maker, applications in medical industry, accurate decision making, selfless with no breaks. Cons: incurs high costs, leads to unemployment, no improvement with experience, lacks creativity. And these are some of the most popular organizations, companies, websites that use AI. Artificial intelligence of the future. Artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the future. Ways AI will change the future. Transportation, although it could take a decade or more to perfect them, autonomous cars will one day ferry us from place to place. Manufacturing, AI robots work alongside humans to perform a limited range of tasks like assembly and stacking, and predictive analysis sensors keep equipment running smoothly. Media journalism is harnessing AI too, and will continue to benefit from it. Bloomberg uses cyber technology to help make quick scenes of complex financial reports. Customer service. Last but hardly least, Google is working on AI assistant that can place human-like calls to make appointments at, say, your neighborhood hair salon. In addition to words, the system understands context and nuance.